Hello everyone. We have many jobs in job fair. Please call here on this number. It is our office number and register yourself for the jobs. In Tokyo you can call from Monday to Sunday, and in Osaka and Nagoya you can call from Monday to Friday. So register yourself soon. Here I have a very exciting job offer for you. It is a Japanese restaurant and the work would be starting from hall, then serving customers, ordering, registering, and cleaning up the table. Another bonus is you can have a delicious meal here. The weekend will be off and the location is Chiyoda Ward, Tokyo. The timings are from 10 to 22. Salary is 250,000 to 500,000. Only daily conversational Japanese is required, so register yourself soon. Thank you.